عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome, dear students. Today we will learn a new Arabic letter, the letter Sad. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد. The name of the letter Sad in Arabic, Sad is the Arabic name of the letter. The sound of Sad is S, S, S. The letter Sad, the sound of the letter Sad, it's a strong, deep sound. Okay, the articulation point, or you see in this picture the letter Sad. The letter Sad seems like this here. Okay, this is the letter Sad. We're beginning with writing from this red dot here. Okay, in this direction, and after that down, left, and after that we're drawing this circle here, or half circle. Now the articulation point. The articulation point, I will say that the letter Sad is pronounced when the tip of the tongue touches the inner bottom of the lower front teeth, and the air flows out between the upper and lower teeth from here, like this here. And we should know, it's important that the lips do not move when pronouncing it. Moving your lips while saying Sad is incorrect. Only the tongue and the airflow inside the mouth should work. Okay, so like what I said, the tip of the tongue touches the inner bottom of the lower front teeth, and the air flows out between the upper and lower teeth. Now we learn the letters Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Zay, Sin, Shin, and today we will learn the letter Sad. Some examples about the letter Sad. Forms of the letter Sad and some examples. In the beginning of the word, like in the word Saqr. Saqr in Arabic have the letter Sad in the beginning of the word. Asir, Asir, Asir. Asir have the letter Sad in the middle of the word. In the end of the word, connected like in Miqas, Miqas have the letter Sad in the end of a word. Okay, Sad in the end of in end of the word, but it's not connected, like Ghawwas, Ghawwas, Ghawwas. Ghawwas have the letter Sad in the end of the word, not connected. I think in English this is falcon, juice, scissors, and diver. Now we will going to the activity, like an activity. I think I can say this like this. This is an activity to draw or to find the letter Sad. Okay, now we coloring the every letter Sad we find. Okay, this is the letter Sad here. This is the letter Sad. I will coloring it like what it writing. I mean in the right way. I will drawing it in the right way, like how I writing the letter Sad in the right way, like this. From this dot here, and like this. This is Sad. This is Ra, Zay with dot, Sin, Alif, Dal. This is the letter Dad, Dad. It's same to the letter Sad, but have the dot here above it. This is Zay, this is Sad here. Alif, Sad. This is Sad too. Ra, Sin, Ra, Dal, Sad, Alif, Sad, big Sad. Dal, this is Sad too. Dal, Dal. Now we're going to learning writing. The writing. How should we writing the letter Sad? We drawing the a line. We draw from this dot here an oval shape, then draw a line to the left on the writing line, add small tooth here on the top, and after that to the bottom and left. Again from here like this, like this. This is in the beginning of a word. Now in the middle of a word, draw a line from right to left, then draw the oval shape upward to the right like this, then curve it down to the left back onto the writing line, and this is small teeth, and after that down on and right and left like this. We are said that in Arabic we are writing all the time from right to the left or from top to the bottom. Now the Sad in the end of the word, at the end of the word connected, we are drawing a line from right to left. After that, we're drawing the oval shape and continue the line leftward, then drawing a half circle shape like this. Sorry. Yeah. After that, like this. Again. Like this. At the end of a word not connected, we are drawing the oval shape from this dot here. And continue the line leftward, then drawing the half circle. Like this. Great job. Today you learned the name of the letter Sad, its sound and articulation point, its four written forms, and you practiced recognize and writing it. Keep practicing, soon you will be able to read and write the letter Sad perfectly. Thank you um, to be with me to see this video. Please share the video to your friends. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.